Yeah, katatapos lang naming magtrabaho sa garden. Nag-mower ako ng kanilang lawn. Yan, maganda na. So ngayon, magba-barbecue kami. Yung kunting barbecue, parang hotdog lang, kaliwan ni Sofia. Yan. So, dito, hindi sila gumagamit ng gas dito. Kaya kailangan madiskarte ka lang. Paano mo pasigahin, papuyin yung barbecue mo. Yan. So, kailangan lang So, ang ginagawa ko, nilalagyan ko muna yung maliit hanggang umapoy. Yan. Yan. Yan na. Diba? Ganyan lang tayo simple. Pagpaapoy. Okay. So, what we're gonna do for barbecue, darling? Look at sausage. Ang dumi namin, no?
For Sofia, I wanted to put it like this, but Maminka put it in the freezer. So.
Yeah, talagang I'm so tired. Do we have any bread that to eat? I'm so hungry after mowing the
Do you want this one?
garden.
Do you want also?
Yeah, of course. Anything to eat? Yeah.
What hell is it? No.
Yan. Pag malakas yung apoy, so pwede na mag-start ng barbecue nila. This is what you like in Czech Republic. We have a barbecue after garden.
Really nice.
Yeah. This is our first day of barbecue after winter.
This is not mine because I already had it at school. We did beach volleyball and then we had barbecue after.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lucky.
Lucky. Look at Hannah.
Guys, you know the one more but and I'm on my summer holiday finally. You know, this year has gone by so fast.
Who?
This year has gone by so fast.
Yeah, I can't believe you're year 6.
I mean, I repeated year 6.
Yeah, in England, Sophia ay year 7.
Yeah,
Dito sa Czech Republic, she is year 6.
yeah, but that's the reason because of my check and also because
No, but no,
the
Sophia.
age.
No, it's the same.
It's
It's
no.
the same. They just counted the year 6, but actually, you are 7.
No, it's
because I counted it here. Once you finish the year 7 in England,
Yeah.
when they finish, you also finished
Yeah,
here.
because basically year 5 in year 6 in Czech Republic is basically the start of high school because this is nižší stupeň, which means lower school, which is from year 1 to year 5, and high school in Czech Republic is from year 6 to year 9.
All right. Pasensya na kayo. Talagang madumi kami tingnan kasi garden people. Yan. Pero talagang gutom na ako, darling. I'm very hungry. Yes! Parang bato pa eh. Hindi nila kinuha sa freezer. Yun. Ayos. Good job.
Ten salad. To se няма. Te pěkný žlutý venku byl a je pěkný. To je ten obyčejný.
Why do I need a
No, ale ja to umím nejlepšie.
A já nevím.
Za týden ja otracím
Sarap dito talagang Paghapon talaga rito, pag summer, talagang dito, tambayan ko to rito. Barbecue, ihaw, ito. Pero ngayon, isipan ko lang kasi pagod sa garden. Hindi pa nga kami nakaligo eh. So after nito, shower. At pahinga. Pero before that, ito lang, parang laruan lang.
This is our cowboy style.
Cowboy style. Uy, ikaw nasunog. Nasunog.
Oh, wow.
Uy! Cook?
Yeah, it is cool.
Ale ne, hole asi není špatně. Jeden kousek se neberu. Je to salám. To už je dobré.
Měla jsi to přesně takové, jak jsem měla ve škole?
Yeah, ale bychom měli housky.
Have you had like this in school when you did it?
Yeah, but we had housky.
Až se to neopálí, papulí.
Jdem to
To je
takhle.
horké. Dá se to?
Nice. Good. Cowboy style. Look at Hannah.
After garden work, we just have a simple dinner.
Yeah. Cook already, right?
Ještě?
Wala sa plano. Yung hotdog, yung sausage, naka-freezer yan. So, bigla na lang akong kumuha kasi ng kawit, nagpa-apoy rito. Kasi alam ko meron silang sausage. Yung pala naka-freezer. Kaya sabi, parang nahilaw sa loob. Yung labas, luto na. Pero yung loob medyo hilaw kasi naka-freezer nga. So anyway, kaya pa naman. Maluluto din yan.
Darling, for you?
Yeah.
Which one?
The
Small one?
For me?
Yeah.
Wow, nice one.
Nakreś si to? Nakreś si
How
to?
about you?
No, I can't because I will throw up.
Why?
Nakreś si to? Nakreś si to všechno, protože je potřebuji pro tataj.
Ona tu špicu to neukraje, takže... Je to přepečené, zeptej se.
Mommy guys asking if it's cooked properly inside. What do you think?
Cook.
Cooked?
Yeah. Nice.
Nice?
Mm-hmm.
Sophie, slowly, yeah? Do you want a ketchup?
No.
The ketchup.
Jen se jen pomalu vyznout si dráty, jenom strach sebe jenom.
How is the bread? Good?
A ještě není špatný.
No.
No, jestli schutí, ale ještě pomalu.
Mi nebude špatný.
Mm-hmm. All cooked.
I'm gonna do butterfly.
Wow. To make sure para talagang luto sa loob. Natin yan sa gitna para siguradong maluluto. Kasi nga frozen na to eh. Nilagay kasi sa freezer pagbili. Hindi daw nila in-expect na mag-siga ako rito.
Unexpected.
Anyway, yun na talaga. Pero masarap. Ganda rito, pag tumambay. Tingnan nyo, papakita ko sa inyo yung loan. Talagang minower ko to ngayon, oh. Ganda na, no? Mower. Tapos garden dyan. Ganda. ba? Yes, mamingka. Pakyat na sa bahay. Papasok na sa bahay. Malamig na eh. Pagkatapos nito, shower. Load ng TV. Pahinga. I think that's cooked, darling, already. Okay. You're gonna stay longer here, right? Because we still have wood.
Yeah. You're gonna have a fire.
Okay, that's cooked already, and I'm gonna remove this this one, and I'm gonna put more woods. Yeah. No, I don't. I just like this. Yeah. This one.
Mommy?
Otherwise, walang oxygen.
Mommy, do them sheep.
Yan. Yan, parang bonfire kami nito. Mini bonfire. Yan. Ayos. Ayos. Lagay. Oh. Okay yan. Pwede yan.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe fire?
You can buy.
Up. Okay. Ayos. Bilang isang tatay, bilang isang former security, masyado akong concerned pagdating sa security sa aking anak, Sofia. So, binibigyan ko siya ng mga password, call sign, at standard procedure kung ano yung dapat gagawin. So, isa na rito, pag hindi ko siya hinahatid sa school, ay may standard procedure na pagdating niya sa school, dapat tawagan niya ako or tawagan niya si Hana na nasa school na siya. Yun yung standard procedure. Ngayong araw, hindi ko siya inhatid, so nag-aantay ako ng tawag. Ang nangyari, alas 8 na ng umaga, dapat before that nakatawag na siya, pero hindi nagre-ring yung aking phone. So of course worry kagad ako kasi standard procedure namin yon na dapat tumawag ka pag nasa school ka na. So palaging ginagawa niya yun, tumatawag siya, tatay, I'm at school now. So ngayong araw, hindi talaga na tumawag. So akong tumawag sa kanya. Nagre-ring lang yung phone at walang sumasagot. So nag-alala ako. Sabi ko kaya na, tawagan mo yung school. Confirm mo kung nasa school siya. So tinawagan niya ng school. Of course, dahil sa office yun, chinek muna nila ang room kung nandun siya sa room na. Positively na siya nasa school siya. So nakausap niya na yung teacher bakit hindi siya tumawag. Sabi ng teacher, nakalimutan daw ni Sofia yung kanyang phone sa bahay. Kung nagtataka ako, may 10 beses akong nagpa-ring sa kanya, hindi ko narinig yung ring ng phone. So hinanap ko yung phone niya sa kwarto niya, sa sala. Nakita ko yung phone niya sa sala, nakamute. Yun pala. So hindi wala sa plano. Ito yung phone niya. I-drop off ko sa kanya sa school, or baka haantayin ko na lang paglabas niya sa school. Nangyayari yung nakakalimutan yung phone. Alam ko nag-worry din siya. Alam ko na pagdukot niya sa kanyang bag, hindi niya magilap yung phone niya. At palagay kong unang word sa kanyang isipan, patay. Anyway, punta ako ng Opava.
So, I was in the bus today, and I right now going back home, and I saw Tata. I'm like, what's Tata doing here? And he came back.
She was surprised.
Yeah.
So why did you forget your
I forgot my phone at home.
phone?
I don't know. I just forgot my phone. I forgot to bring it. Put it in my bag. Because basically this morning I always go with Jessica and Chantal to school. I'm sure you know them if you saw the video on Halloween. I go with them always to school. And then they didn't call me today, and I'm like, why are they not calling me? So I checked in my bag. I wanted to call them back, but I couldn't find my phone anymore.
So that's when you realized you've left your phone
yeah, and
at home.
I'm like, oh my goodness, what's Tata going to think? It's okay, goodbye.
Yeah.
I'm
So,
fine. So I told the teacher.
okay, what did you do then? When you get to school, what did you do?
I asked the teacher if she could call my parents.
Oh, good. So, but mommy wasn't able to answer your call.
But then a few minutes later, she called the teacher again, and I told her. The teacher gave me the phone, and I told mommy that I forgot my phone at school. That's why I couldn't text or call. Can you please tell Tata that I forgot it?
Good. So, yeah. First, I told mommy around 8 o'clock that okay, Sophia did not call me nor text me, so I think you need to call the school. And afterwards, mommy called me back, maybe after 15 minutes, and said, yeah, school confirmed that Sophia is in.
I mean, I confirmed because the teacher gave me the phone. I'm like, hey, mommy.
My goodness.
I don't know. I was scared because, you know, last time you were so scared that I wasn't answering the phone.
Yeah, of course, because we have standard procedure.
Yeah.
You know, when you cannot follow the standard procedure, then it means something happened. Yeah. So I was right.
Something happened. But
No, you left your phone. That is something happened.
yeah.
So it's good that, but if your phone rang when I was calling you, and then I should have known that you left your phone. But but your phone was in mute.
My phone's not on mute.
Mute. So I was calling you, and your phone didn't ring.
How is my phone when I'm outside? It's on. It's not on mute. It's on vibrate.
Mute. That's why mute vibration, but it's not ringing.
It's on vibrate because, you know, if for example you call me in school, maybe I can feel my phone in my pocket instead of a loud sound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, so next time, don't forget it. When you pack your things in the evening, make sure you put your phone.
No, but mommy, I have to charge my phone in the morning.
Yeah, that's correct. So, anyway, you're okay, thank God. It's just your phone you left behind. Okay. So, bumili ako ng liempo kasi sana matuloy yung pagkikipagkita ko sa mga Pinoy dito sa Opava. So, shout out sa mga Pinoy dito sa Opava, kay Jao, kay RC, kay Mylene. So, shout out sa inyo. Sana may makilala pa akong ibang mga Pinoy. Sana magkita-kita tayo, matuloy yung meeting di Abansig yung Saturday para makilala ko kayo. So, yan. It's gloomy day again.
I was expecting it to be warm yesterday. It was about 20 degrees. Right now it's cold, but it's coming close to summer. So I think it might be warm soon.
Yeah,
I think
hopefully.
next week it's gonna be warmer.
Okay. So ang kanyang ulam uli, yung natira niyang afritada. Kasi gusto niya yung fritada, kaya hindi ko kinain. Tinira ko sa kanya talaga. Kasi talagang nagustuhan niya yung fritada. So I went to KFC while waiting for your
Bus?
bus.
How long were you in the Papa for?
I left here around 10:30. So I was in the pub around 11. And then I had my lunch. And shop a bit. And then waited for you.